Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the language in Gemini AI mobile app. So let's get started. For this, first make sure that you have updated the Gemini app to the latest version. Once you have done that, to the rightmost top we will be having the profile icon. Just select it, and here if you just scroll down we'll be having settings. Click that, and in settings we are having languages. Select it, and we are having the main language. Click this. Here we are having these many languages to choose from. Simply click on this search icon and just search for the language of your choice. Once you have found a language, just click it and it will say restart Gemini. So just click on restart, and as you can see here the language has changed. Here also in the settings and the icons the language is changed. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.